Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a roux, a fundamental thickening agent in cooking. A roux is simply a cooked mixture of fat and flour, forming the base for countless delicious sauces, gravies, and soups. Understanding this technique opens up a world of culinary possibilities, from creamy bechamel to rich gumbo. We'll cover the essential steps to create a perfect roux every time, ensuring smooth and flavorful results. To begin, gather your ingredients: equal parts fat, such as butter or a neutral oil, and all-purpose flour. The fat carries the flavor, while the flour provides the thickening power. For equipment, a heavy-bottomed saucepan is ideal for even heat distribution, preventing scorching. A sturdy whisk is also crucial to continuously stir and break up any lumps, ensuring a perfectly smooth consistency. Start by melting your chosen fat, for example, 2 tablespoons of butter, in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking constantly to combine the fat and flour into a smooth paste. This continuous stirring is key to preventing lumps and ensuring even cooking. Cook the mixture until it reaches your desired color and consistency. The cooking time determines the roux's color and flavor. A white roux, cooked for just a few minutes, is perfect for thickening light sauces like bechamel. A blonde roux offers a slightly nutty flavor, while a dark roux, cooked longer, provides a deep, rich taste for dishes such as gumbo. Each color serves a unique culinary purpose. Also, remember to stay hydrated while cooking. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.